I forgot. I was going to make a video. Alright, so I'm taking eggs and put them in our electric kettle here. And if you look down inside here, you will see the eggs with the water. And the electric kettle will boil, and it goes really quickly. And then I just let it boil 2 times because it takes, I don't know, like 2 minutes or something for it to boil. And then I let the eggs set in the electric kettle for 20 minutes, and then I drain them, and I have hard-boiled eggs. And it's as easy as it gets. So that's my helpful tip for now. Thanks for watching.